Hey, this is Glenn from Digital Synergy, and in this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to make money on YouTube without talking or showing your face on camera. So stay tuned. Okay, so you want to learn how to make money on YouTube, but the thought of talking or showing your face on camera just makes you cringe. Well, don't worry. I have the perfect solution for you because I'm going to debunk the myth that most people believe that you have to speak or show your face on camera if you want to create YouTube videos. I have some other videos on this topic that you can check out, which shows different methods for not being on camera and using specifically using a specific software that goes into great detail on how to use the software. And I'll add it to the end screen to the end of this video, so be sure to check that out. But in this video, I want to focus on the one method, and that one method is basically using simple software. Okay, I'm just going to be giving you an overview of it, just to let you know that it's available. As I mentioned, check out the end screen at the end of this video, and you can click on a couple of videos there that show you in more detail. So I actually have two softwares that I want to tell you about, and they're really easy to use and really inexpensive. All right, so first of all, before I even get into that, as you can see, I'm not showing my face. I am using my voice, but I could very easily not be using my voice, and I'm going to show you how in just a moment. All right. And when I say that, I'm not showing my face on camera, instead what I'm doing is I'm just sharing my screen, and I'm going to be showing you different slides and different things on the screen, and you could do a PowerPoint presentation or anything like that. So that really solves not having to show your face. That's one of the easiest methods to use, and I use it all the time. All right, but now let me get into some software if you want to create some videos that allow you not to be on camera or to speak. Okay, so the first one is called Vidnami, and you can check the link below in description for the link to this website. It's really the easiest and best solution that I've found that solved this problem, because there really is no need to be on camera or speak on the video. This software handles everything for you. It literally creates professional videos for you in just a few minutes. It's amazing. It's a point and click video maker. You don't have to be a techie person at all. I mean, really, honestly, a lot of people are scared about the fact of making videos, but with this technology, it's just amazing. I mean, as you can see, it does it transcribes your clips, creates captions automatically. It has intelligent clip selection, so basically it uses artificial intelligence to read your text and automatically figures out, from its extensive library of over 790,000 video clips, and inserts them for you, as well as they have a stock library as well. So you could choose either video clips or photography, and you can manually upload them if you have some on your own as well. So there's no video editing necessary at all, just very, very minimal. And you can make it your own. You can create, add your logo, select the fonts, images, and music. You can also have music. So it has over 30,000 royalty-free music tracks to choose from, and so you'll never be in a shortage of that. So check that link out below. I'm going to show you an inside basically of how it works real quick. Again, it's just a quick overview, but there's no need to be on camera and there's no need to speak. So let me show you real quick. Okay, so this is inside of the account. So as you can see here on the left, this is very easy. It has a script, it has a template, what they call scenes. That's basically what it creates. It has for a voice, and a way you can preview and then download your video. So the first thing that you would want to do is basically create some sort of a template that you would want your video to be created on. So for this case, I'm just going to choose this template, click on it, hit use this template, and then it brings you and you can name your video. I just have it untitled right now, but I could just say name of video. Oops, video. Okay, and then I've just type this in really quick because it's a demo I'm going to show you of the following software, because this software, in addition to basically creating videos where you don't have to be on camera, it has a voice feature where it uses automation, text-to-speech technology, and it has that in place. I'm going to demonstrate it in a moment, but I just basically put this text in here, and then I'm just going to say go ahead, edit scenes, or create scenes. And basically, so what it did, since it's so short, it basically just created a couple of images or video clips here. And so it basically takes the script, it looks at the words and decides, oh, what should I put in here? And then you can come in here and you can change out the images very easily. You can change out the text as well, and that's all done. Again, I go into much more detail in another video, so I'm not going to go into that, but I just want to show you that it creates it in minutes. So basically, you can go in and edit that any way you like. You can change out the video clips from their library. You can upload your own. It's really, really easy. But for now, I just wanted to show you that, as well as the auto voice that I was telling you about. So actually, let's go ahead and go to preview, because that the script that I put in there, it's actually I'm gonna show you the example in the other software that I'm going to show you, that is also a text-to-speech technology software that basically really improves on this. You can use this software alone, but if you really, really want your voice to sound as natural and not robotic, this next software I'm going to show you. So let's preview this and listen to basically what it creates. So right now it's creating the scene, it's creating the voice, and now we can listen to it.
Imagine if in just minutes from now, you could have access to the most powerful, highest quality and most human-like sounding text-to-speech technology on the planet. In fact, the voice you are listening to right now is built on that technology.
Okay, so that's the voice technology. I didn't have to speak on it, so that I didn't have, there's no talking. It just basically took what I put on script and it's speaking. Now, if you might have noticed, there's some music in the background. You can change the music out to anything that you want to have it. It'll play in the background, or you can choose not to have it. It's really up to you. All right, but this next software that I want to show you, so this software, again, this is all you need. If you want to not be able to have to put yourself on camera, create amazing, stunning, professional videos, Vidnami is all you need. There's a trial. Okay, it's a 14-day trial. If you click on it here, you can just enter your name, your email address. You can get in, you can test it out on a trial, and it's relatively inexpensive. I believe at this time it's about $29 per month. Okay, now so there's that. Now if you're just interested in a speech-to-text technology where you can just record your voice, you're creating your videos in another way, or if you just want to use this technology because the technology is much better as far as the voice, this is basically the world's first ever software that turns any text into real human sounding voice. I mean, don't get me wrong, this software does a pretty decent job, but you can still tell that it is you know, kind of a little robotic. But let me show you how this does. It's just really amazing. So I basically took the first sentence in this video that they have here as a demo, so I wanted for you to hear it. So here you go.
Imagine if in just minutes from now you could have access to the most powerful, highest quality, and most human-like sounding text-to-speech technology on the planet. In fact, the voice you're listening to right now is built on that technology. Yeah!
Okay, so you probably rewind it and listen to the difference, but there definitely is a difference. It's just amazing. They've got different voices to choose from. They've got and this is great because you can get this on a they're having a special right now, a launch, and you can get the commercial license, which basically allows you to basically sell this to as a service. So you can go on Fiverr or Upwork and basically you do voiceovers for people. Now let me just give you a couple of testimonials. This guy's actually a voiceover person. This is what he does for a living. He had a testimonial, so let's listen.
Hi, it's Todd Gross, the #1 voiceover guy in the internet marketing niche. And no, I'm not in the Southern Hemisphere. I just never took my snowshoes down. Anyway, you're on the page, of course, to get a revolutionary product. It's Synthesis. Now, I have to tell you, I'm a bit nervous that you guys will go out there with these excellent voiceover guys that you just type the text and then this voice talent actually speaks. I'm nervous you're going to use this to take away my job as the voiceover guy. That's how good this product is. No matter what your application for synthesis, no matter how you use the voices, they're just leaps and bounds better than the previous Google and Amazon voices that were available. It's that simple. This is a huge step forward. This is a must-have for everyone. Get it today.
All right, so that one, I'm just going to play this other
Hey,
one.
just wanted to give a huge shout out to Mario and Oliver for Synthesis. Guys, this is an absolutely game-changing tool that you've created, especially for me and my video marketing business. I have a lot of clients, and for myself also, I do tons and tons of videos. And some of the biggest questions that I get is, well, do you need to use my voice? Or how do I get a voice for my video? Or I can't speak English very good, so how do I translate this? And so Synthesis, it's been a life-changing tool for me and my business, because now I can just say, you know, I can take care of it, or I can say go pick up Synthesis, just because the voices that it uses are so lifelike and so real that my customers can't believe it. And so instead of them going to one of these places like fiverr.com and having to pay $50, $100 or more to get a voiceover, now they can just simply enter a script, download it, and use it for their video. It is so easy to use. Guys, I highly, highly recommend Synthesis. It's one of the best tools I've ever used for converting text to speech. Thanks again, guys. It's a wonderful, wonderful tool.
All right, so there you go. I just wanted you to see those testimonials, very powerful. So this is it. So again, this is basically just the text-to-speech technology. If you're using some sort of video software now, or if you want to use it in conjunction with this video software to improve upon the voice technology that this has already built in, or you can just use this by itself. I just wanted to show you what's available as technology is constantly improving. So yeah, so as I mentioned before, you can outsource these services if you get this. What's great about this is it's on a one-time fee right now, and you can create sales videos, TV commercials, presentations, explainer videos, animated videos, as you can see, on and on it goes. And you know, you don't have to worry about paying for freelancers to get video. That's what you would have to do in the past, right? If you don't want to speak on the video, you have to pay somebody to do a voiceover. So you don't no longer have to do that. So let me just show you real quick here the price. Click on the link below, actually, and you can basically go through all this at your leisure. Here's some more testimonials, but I just wanted to show you that you can pick it up. And they have it on a launch right now, special. So the sooner you pick it up, the before it goes away. Yeah, so you can get this now for as cheap as $67. You can pick up either version that you want. You can read more about that. So there you go, guys. That is basically the solutions that I have for you on you know, how to make money on YouTube without talking or showing your face on camera. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get the updates on my latest videos. And if you want to learn more about how to make money on YouTube, click on the link below to sign up for my 10-part video series on how to make money with YouTube. And when you do, you're also going to get access to an underground method that's killing it right now, because it shows you how to rank these videos that you create on top of Google and YouTube with free traffic. And this is essential, right? If you want to make money on YouTube, you need this. You need people to actually see your videos. In fact, if you're watching this video right now, chances are that you found it because I'm using the same system to get these views. So go ahead, click on the link below, sign up, check out the software, and I'll see you next time.